Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to generate a video using Pixverse. Here you can go and type Pixverse AI, and this one is the official website that lets you create image, video and different other options that you can easily use. Now here you can select image as well as video that you want to generate. For example, here I want to generate an image, top 10 freelancing platforms. Then click create button and create a free account. Then again click here create button, this one, and now here you can see image is ready. You can save this image into your laptop, you can share it with your friends, you can also delete it. Now let me go back. Here you can select the image resolution as well as aspect ratio for different devices and platforms.